Welcome to this comprehensive guide on the best music and sound effect libraries for video production. Whether you're creating content for social media, YouTube, podcasts, or professional films, finding the right audio resources is crucial. In this series, we'll explore premium subscription services, free alternatives, and everything in between to help you build the perfect audio toolkit for your projects. Before diving into specific platforms, let's understand what makes a great audio library. First, consider the licensing model. Different libraries offer free options, subscription plans, or pay-per-track pricing. Second, evaluate the music variety and genre diversity available. Third, check the quality and breadth of sound effects collections. Finally, and most importantly, verify that the library supports commercial use for monetized videos. These factors will guide your selection process. Premium subscription services offer the highest quality and largest catalogs. Artlist provides over 60,000 music tracks and sound effects with unlimited downloads included in the subscription. Soundstripe boasts over 500,000 royalty-free assets with premium production quality. Storyblocks offers an all-inclusive plan with unlimited music and sound effects access. These platforms are ideal if you produce content regularly and need access to a massive library of professional-grade audio. If you're just starting out or working with a limited budget, free and freemium options are excellent starting points. Mixkit provides over 1,000 free music tracks and sound effects without requiring attribution. Freepik offers both free and premium audio assets in a freemium model. Pixabay is community-driven and provides completely free royalty-free music and sound effects. These platforms are perfect for beginners and creators looking to minimize costs while still accessing quality audio. For specific project needs, specialized sound effects libraries excel in their domains. Boom Library focuses on professional cinematic sound effects and Foley, ideal for film and television production. Zapsplat is gaming-focused and provides high-quality sound effects specifically suited for gaming and interactive media. Epidemic Sound serves content creators with 30,000 royalty-free tracks and sound effects in one hub. Freesound is a user-generated community platform offering diverse and creative sounds. Choose specialized libraries when you need audio tailored to your specific content type. Catalog size directly impacts your creative flexibility. Soundstripe leads with over 500,000 tracks. Storyblocks follows closely with over 425,000 assets. Artlist offers 60,000 carefully curated tracks. Epidemic Sound provides 30,000 quality options. Mixkit, while smaller with just over 1,000 free tracks, prioritizes quality over quantity. Larger catalogs mean more variety, but smaller, curated libraries often provide higher average quality. Your choice depends on whether you prioritize quantity or quality. Understanding licensing is critical before publishing your videos. Creative Commons licenses allow free use with attribution, but often restrict commercial use. Royalty-free licenses let you pay once and use the audio forever across multiple projects with full commercial rights. Exclusive licenses offer premium ownership rights but come at higher costs and limit the number of buyers. Always read the specific license terms before using any audio in your videos. Verify that your chosen library supports monetization on your target platform to avoid copyright issues and revenue loss. A smooth workflow saves you time and frustration. Start by searching and browsing your library using filters and tags for quick discovery. Download files in your preferred format, whether that's MP3 for audio editing or your video editor's native format. Finally, confirm your usage rights match your platform requirements and maintain proper attribution when needed. Most modern libraries integrate directly with popular video editing software, streamlining the entire process from discovery to publication. Test before committing. Use free trials and freemium versions to evaluate both the quality and the interface. Match your content style by choosing libraries with genres and moods that align with your specific projects. Consider your budget carefully, balancing subscription costs against the volume of content you'll realistically use. Finally, evaluate integration capabilities with your editing software and workflow tools. The best library is the one that fits seamlessly into your existing creative process. Now that you understand the landscape of music and sound effect libraries, it's time to take action. Start exploring by trying free libraries first to discover your preferred platform and workflow. Build your toolkit by combining multiple libraries to ensure comprehensive audio coverage for any project type. Optimize your workflow by integrating your chosen libraries into your regular editing pipeline. Finally, use quality audio to elevate your production and create professional content that engages and impresses your audience. Great audio truly transforms your videos.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.